let's talk about Air Jordan 13 Retro Del Sol. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Oh yeah, and welcome to Clones TV. Man, we back. We are back. Thank y'all for rocking with us.
Appreciate it.
Man, I ain't gonna waste y'all time. Let's talk about the Jordan 13 Del Sol.
Yes, sir.
Man, looking at these pictures, man, they clean, dog. I don't know when they coming out. I'm on GOAT now. GOAT talking about the 22nd, but 23 is back. Let's see, it say the 19th. So I'm going with the 19th. And speaking of GOAT, GOAT want my size 12, $448. Man, and I'm on Stock X. Looking at Stock X, they want $350. My size 12. So, man, I hope I get these. Hope I hit on them. I can see myself with them in the collection back there. And again, I'm not a 13s guy, but man, I can see myself rocking these, man, with some joggers on, white joggers, white and yellow shirt. I don't know, man, but I just want these in my collection. You know, I'm really feeling that yellow, man. So they dope, man. They dope. And if we do get them, we gonna have an unboxing and on feet review. All right. So let's turn the MIC over to my boy TRE. Take it away. All right, appreciate it. This shoe here, I don't gotta have it. You know, when it comes to 13s, it's all about he got game. But this one of the shoes, I gotta see how they look on feet, because I can look at a picture and I'll go on YouTube and look at somebody, you know, have them on their feet, but it ain't the same as me having them on my feet. So I gotta see how these look. If we get them, if I get them, it is what it is. If I don't, it is what it is. So, you know, I treat this shoe like the Court Purple that just came out not too long ago. But I'm not gonna say must cop. But like I said, it's alright. Yeah, it's alright. Alright. Are they hot? Are they trash? Are y'all gonna get them? Or y'all gonna pass? Y'all let us know down there in the comment section below. Alright, we out. Peace. Peace, baby.